So I wanted to change the struts in the tailgate in my Saab 9.3 because they were very weak, almost not holding the tailgate anymore. And to do this, we first remove these two clips that you see in the roof in the boot, and you just twist them sideways to like a 3 o'clock position, and then just pull them out. And then we need to strip back a little bit of the weather sealant so we can slightly or carefully pull down a little bit on the roof liner, because the struts are mounted under the roof and over the roof liner. And just be careful so we don't get any creases to the roof liner, and then we reveal the struts. So these struts are like clipped on two balls, one in the front and one in the back, and you have two clips that hold or secure the struts in there. So using a small flathead screwdriver, I just loosen the clip that is most towards you, and the one that is mounted longer into the car I didn't need to remove, because when we have loosened and pulled out the strut from that ball in the front, we can use the leverage and just pull the struts a little bit sideways, and it will pop out from the ball in the back. And then you just do the process in reverse, pop the struts in, and you maybe have to like hold the tailgate and move the tailgate so the struts are long enough and hit the ball. I think you will understand while you are mounting it. And just be careful when you remove one strut. One strut is not enough for holding the tailgate by itself, so when you remove the first strut, it will fall down. So while trying to remove it, I would advise you to hold one hand, or you get some help, or have something supporting the tailgate, or you will have it fall down on your head like I did.